Greetings, this is Kendrick. So the first step of making a mini pizza is you have to turn the oven from 0 to a 5. And then put this and put this and put this in the frying pan. The little tortilla. And then wait until it sizzles on this one. And when it fries and when it sizzles, you flip it. My epitome of a pizza. It may not be ready, but it's ready to be toast. And then, of course, you need to flip it again. You need to flip the pizza constantly. And you flip the pizza constantly. And then if you flip the pizza constantly, you become ready and prepared. And then become really ready. But after, if you're ready with the pizza, you need to dip it in more. Dip in more. If you dip in more, you flip the pizza. The epitome of the pizza. Unless you can turn the oven up to a little more of a 6 to 6 degrees.
I say you.
Make sure it's the right coordination. Because if it's not the right coordination, you could burn something. Oh yeah. Flip it again. Put the frying pan more pieces. And that's how you turn the oven. Don't put things in the back burner. If you don't put things in the back burner. Oh yeah. Sorry for the interruption, but you gotta make sure this tortilla doesn't go raw. If it doesn't go raw, you have to taste it and it tastes like rats. Oh yeah. This one? Wait for a couple minutes. And then I'm gonna roll for fruits. And then of course here's the marinara sauce. This one, you gotta take a spoon of it. And here. And then you have to spread that all over the fry. All over the pizza, you know. You gotta wait until it warms up even more so you can get the full pizza. And one more. I gotta put this marinara sauce. And then still keep spreading the pizza all over. Still keep spreading the marinara sauce all over the pizza. So this way, they can actually do you some things. So then, and then of course, roll out the dish, and then of course, And then of course, you have to pull out the pizza and put it in the dish. And then with the stove, turn off the stove to avoid the house from burning. And I'm going to teach you the rest of the recipes next time. Ciao. Second portion of the pizza. So first, you need to dump in some ingredients. But before the shredded cheese, pull out some pickles. Put the pickles inside the cheese. Make them all delicious. Yum. Yummy. Very yummy. And then to pull them and get them yummy as you can. So, one of the pizza ingredients is cheese sticks. So the cheese sticks, I forgot to put these extra things. Remember kids, don't try these at home. No, put it with that. And if you have kids, please don't try with them. Don't try. Don't let them have these scissors. Have a parent like you. Okay, so I'll get mine. So yeah, open the cheese stick. And because butter knife is safe. Oh yeah, be sure this is not coordination. So it won't. Make sure that it is in the right coordination. And cut it. No, best suggestion, don't use a real actual knife. Because a real actual knife can actually amputate a person's arm. And then you pull out, and then there is the first portion of the cheese stick. And then you need another cheese stick. I'm sorry, but I don't have 4 hands. This one. Oh, damn it. Sorry for swear word, kids. And then, of course, pull out. And of course, there's the cheese. And you have to cut the other cheese. Course. Then of course this. Got the other one. Then of course, here's the cheese. Ingredient after the cheese stick crust. Takis, everyone's favorite food because it's hot and spicy. So everyone knows about it. Opening them. Then there you go. Everyone has the Takis. And then of course we need to put the Takis inside. And stick these Takis inside the pizza, inside the homemade pizza. Remember kids, don't try Takis. You want to gain immunity. So here's probably the Takis in the third portion of the pizza. Goodbye. No, not goodbye. We're going shredded cheese mode. So. One of the final portions. Shredded cheese. And that's Colby Jack, not cheddar cheese. But bear with me. One thing I have. One thing I have. Everyone else. Open up there. And then of course, like this. Spread it all over the cheese. All over the pizza. And then spread the pizza. Spread the pizza with more cheese. Even more cheese. With more cheese. That cheese. And then of course, that's not all the pizza. Because there's another final ingredient. Blue cheese. Maybe sticky. Final ingredient to the pizza. Blue cheese. I know it's stinky, but it's kind of delicious. That's the final ingredient. Bear with me, the requirement is, let's go. So the best suggestion. Open the can. Open the can. Oh, scooping some cheese. Scooping some more cheese. More blue cheese. And then, here it is. Here it is. Finished with my pizza. Well, bon appetit to all people who serve this pizza. And like, comment, subscribe.